Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to open Google Drive in mobile phone. So guys, at first you need to go to your Play Store and then download Google Drive app. So guys, after downloading, open the app. And now tap on the profile icon on the right side of the screen. Now select the Gmail with which you are going to open your Google Drive. And that's it, and your Google Drive is open. So guys, that's how you can open your Google Drive in mobile phone very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.